Okay, I want to do a video about forms with Clojure. In fact, I have blogged about it over here in my Clojure diary blog. So, what is a form, right? So, anything that's executable in Clojure is form. Let's say there's a number 42 and I just give Alt Enter. Yeah, it gets executed. Yeah, that's a form. Okay, then you can, everybody would know about functions. So this is what you would have been doing in Clojure. So this is also a form, right? And you can also give a symbol like some symbol. Okay, sorry, this is called as keyword. I'm sorry, keyword. And this is also a form. Just press Alt Enter, right? And yeah, you have string and everything else. Okay, you just have string, hello, right? So anything that executes is a form, right? Even a list is a form, right? So, and there is a list over here, right? So 1, 2, and 3, right? And I can also execute this over here and I just get it. So any self-executable stuff is a form in Clojure, right? And of course you do have symbol, right? This is what we call as form, right? And I just want to tell like how Calva behaves with forms. Okay, so let's say like, okay, I just have plus 2 and then star 3 and 5. Okay, so I'm multiplying 3 and 5. Now if I just what to say, hit option enter or alt enter, right? Now I'm using Linux, which I'm very happy about. I'm not using Mac anymore. So this gives 17. Okay, so for this, yeah, you need to put option enter or alt enter depending on the system. But if you want to just execute this one, right? So you just put control enter. This just gives 5 because I just kept it in 5. But if I just keep it over here near the star and press control enter, okay, right. Okay, this says star. So maybe, yeah, I just need to go here before the star, and in this bracket if I just say, okay, it still says object. Okay, so I'm not sure how it executes. Okay, I'll just keep it over here and press control enter. Okay, I'm getting 15. So you just place it before a form and you just hit control enter and it'll just execute that form alone. Okay, so now what I can just do is I can just, okay, like say like, okay, I'll just put like another star 2 over here. I'll just put another star 2. Okay, oops. Okay, if you can't delete brackets in VS Code that has Calva, you just hit Alt and then hit Enter, delete key, that is backspace or delete key. That's it, right? So now I'll just put like, okay, like this multiplied by 7, right? Okay. So now if I just want to execute this one, I'll just put like Control Enter and this gets executed. And if I want to execute this, I'll just keep it over here and put control enter. Or I can keep it anywhere over here, here. And I can just put like alt enter. The entire stuff gets executed. Alt enter means the entire stuff gets executed. Control enter means only that little bit part gets executed. Okay, so if I just come over here and if I just put like, okay, like control enter, it'll just be 3. But if I just keep it over here and put control enter, it'll be this list. Okay, so or I can just, if I want to execute the entire stuff, I can just keep it over here, and rather than putting alt enter, I can just put like control enter, the entire whatever the upper stuff, okay, is the uppermost stuff, okay, the top level stuff, the execution will go till there. Okay, so even if I just keep my cursor over here and put alt enter, what is the uppermost stuff? Okay, the star 3 5, that's not the uppermost stuff. You still need to add 2 over here, and this still is not uppermost stuff, and you need to multiply it by 7 over here. This gets executed when I do alt enter. But if I just want to execute this, I just keep it over here and press control enter. So yeah, I use VS Code and Calva. Without it, I don't know like whether I would have made it through Clojure or whether I would have given up. I really don't know. So anyway, thanks to the creator of Calva, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Until we meet in next video. Bye.